Good morning, I'm Rajesh Nath, Managing Director of the German Engineering Federation, India office, VDMA.
Mr. Rajesh Nath, how has been the response of the Indian manufacturing sector to this ongoing EMO roadshow?
Oh, we've had a very overwhelming response. In fact, we have conducted already 2 road shows in Pune as well as in Chennai. And we had a lot of people from the local industry joining us, of course, including the press and media people. Also, under this World Tour, EMO World Tour India, we would be covering 5 cities totally. So today we are here in Bangalore. Further, we go to Rajkot and then to New Delhi also. So I think it's a very good opportunity also for the local industry to know what is happening globally, as well as Dr. Schaefer would be presenting some very interesting statistics and figures also on the machine tool industry.
Could you please tell us which industry sector have shown more eagerness in terms of participating in EMO as exhibitor as well as visitors?
So we have almost about 30 odd exhibitors from India, and as per the last EMO, there were around 1800. We have 30 exhibitors and around 1800 visitors from India have visited EMO earlier. This year also the response is quite good. In fact, today we have our guest of honor, Mr. Purohit from Spurti Machines, who have been participating in EMO, and he will be also sharing his experience on EMO. So I think there's a lot of interest of the Indian industry, and especially now after the intakes, people have seen that again things are opening up, and also India is growing well. So I think we will have a lot of visitors from India going to EMO.